Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video, and this time, so this is video number 3 in my massive vacation haul. And this ginormous box, it's pretty heavy too. Yeah, so this is box number 3, and this is the last video I am doing tonight, and I am kind of exhausted, but I wanted to do these videos for you guys. I wanted to wait to unbox them, excuse me, with you guys, so yeah, you guys can share the excitement with me. But yeah, so I am expecting more boxes to come in the next few days. But you have seen so far, I had an unboxing from Dior, I had an unboxing from Chanel, and this one is an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. So here's my blade, and again, please excuse me being very tired because I am. It is pretty late at night. All the light is gone, so I am using all of my artificial light. So let's just get to it and I will show you guys what I got. So I did get this while I was on vacation, and like everything else, I had it shipped to me. Alright. Jesus. Alright, so let me show you guys. Oh, this big old box. Here is the inside of the box. Let it focus a little bit. Oh, so they were able to give me a bag, which is very nice. Let me take this out. Here is my receipt. Oh, so here is one box, and let me take this out. Oh, that was box number 2, and here is box number 3, and there is, there's nothing else in there, so let me go ahead and close this up, and I will make sure there is no addresses showing. Okay, so this box is way too damn big, so let me take this out of the way. Let me put that down for a minute. Oh my goodness, okay, so I'm not really sure. Let me open up this one first. Okay, so here is box number 1. I think I know which one this is. Jeez. It is a lot of tissue paper in this big old box. So here is the item. Let me put this box down real quick. So this is my very first fragrance that I had purchased from Louis Vuitton, and it is the fragrance called, if it'll focus, Le Jour se lève, which I know I had said in a previous video when I unboxed the bum bag that I thought it meant the day of bath, like taking a bath, but bath is lave, leve is raise, I believe, and so this is the day of raising. I think that's what it means. I could be incorrect. I could Google it right now, but I am pretty tired and lazy, so yeah. So I won't open this just yet because, so here is another box, and oh wow. Okay, so here is a bunch of fragrance samples, and let me just, so I got 2 samples of this fragrance because I might give these to my mom and maybe my sister because I just love that scent. The other fragrances that I have in here is the set of men's colognes that Louis Vuitton just released recently. And so the first one is called L'Immensité. The second one is called Sur la Route. The third one is called Nouveau Monde. The fourth one is called Au Hasard. And the last one here is called Orage. Alright, so I will do a video trying these out. And don't you think this box is so cool that it fits these samples just right? But yeah, I thought that was pretty neat. So let me go ahead and open up this box. Okay, so it's a very flat box. And this one, I have to blame Matt D. I forget the numbers, I think it's 76. Matt D said, I'll leave his information down below, but he posted a picture of this item on his Instagram, and I was immediately trying to figure out how to get it myself, and I was able to find it. Oh. That's why this box is a little bit heavy. So my essay also included a copy of the newest LV magazine. And it was just so sad that the last time I did move, I decided to throw all my other ones away. But let me just go get back to here and let me show you guys what I got. So let me take the dust bag out. This dust bag actually looks like an older dust bag, but yeah, so this is like an older dust bag. It is more yellowy in color, and the Louis Vuitton here is in the dark brown instead of the navy blue. Let me go ahead and open it. Okay. So ooh, that is pretty. Okay. Dun, da, da, da. So I got, I don't even remember what this piece came from. Let me look at the receipts. Come on, science. So this piece comes from the Cabas Lights bag. And I knew I wouldn't really use the bag. And I saw that Matt D76 was able to get these pouches that come with the bag in all the different colors that it comes in. But my favorite was this blue one because as a collector, I am trying to get, well, it's really hard to keep up, but I'm trying my best to get a canvas or a piece from all the different canvases that Louis Vuitton has come out with. And I think this one is called the Pacific Blue. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what it's called. I currently have a keychain that has this on one side, and on the other side it is the monogram split with the monogram, or the silver monogram. But this is really cool. Look, the zipper, if it'll focus, is in the blue, and the zipper pull is a lock that is red. That is very neat. And but it's really weird that this is gold. I mean, it's just a lot of hardware going on. But the inside is in man-made lining, and it is not wipeable, and so you can't really use it as a toiletry pouch. And the inside here says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, défilé printemps été 2018. And there is a date code on the inside here. But yeah, this is so cool, isn't it? That's, I guess, all I really wanted to say with this video, and I am calling it a night. So I do have, like I said, a couple more, or maybe a few more boxes coming in the next week. So yeah, stay tuned for more unboxings for this massive vacation haul. I do have a couple boxes from Gucci that will be coming in the mail, another one from Chanel, and I think one from Hermes, but I might not unbox that one. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to show you guys for this video. I hope you liked it, and yeah, this is so cool. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, remember just to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.